Welcome to Dance Music Production Tutorials. For this tutorial we're going to examine the production methods and the ethics behind one of the biggest club genres on the planet, Tech House. Now we're going to begin the tutorial by looking at how to synthesize a typical Tech House style kick. Using a kick synthesizer we're going to show you how to program and edit a kick that's typical for this genre. And then with the kick down we're going to examine bass. We're going to take a look at the popular basses in this genre and how to emulate them using a mix of music theory, synthesis, sidechain and processing. And then once we've got the starting groove down, we'll examine claps and open hats. Here I want to touch upon topics such as sampling, polyphony, playback, tuning, layering, compression, reverb, editing and techniques such as measure patterning and displacement to really make your hats and your claps stick out. And once we've got those claps and hats down, we're going to examine tech tops. Now, using various techniques such as flex slicing, positioning, layering, sampling, asymmetrical displacement, compression, distortion and reverb, we're going to show you how to program the rhythmical elements that this genre relies so heavily upon. And then once we've got the basic rhythms down for our track, we're then going to look at how we can process the drums with parallel compression, parallel distortion and parallel EQ. Here we'll also take the opportunity to put some hardware against software, testing whether some plugins really are an accurate emulation of the hardware counterparts. And with the drum rhythms finished, we're then going to look at melodies. Now here we're going to look at the music theory behind creating melodies for Tech House, and this is going to include counterpoint techniques, placement, displacement, meter positioning, keys, and how to synthesize chords, sample them, and some chord planing. And then finally, when we've got all the elements down, we'll then examine how to arrange the mix. Here we're going to look at introducing vocals, including vocal shouts and snippets, along with how to place vocal swirls before finishing the tutorial with a closer look at some of the automation techniques used to create a club classic.
Come on, let's 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 come on.
And since there are so many derivatives of Tech House, we're even going to build two different styles of Tech House track for the tutorial, a minimal style and a more tribal style.